The Florida Department of Health says flesh-eating bacteria cases have more than doubled in Florida since Hurricanes Helene and Milton. According to the Florida Times Union, 2 people have died this year in Duval County.
But since September, 37 more cases have been reported. Drew Cosgray is on your side, speaking with an infectious disease expert to learn more about this bacterial infection and how to avoid it.
This bacteria then thrives in warm waters, especially after hurricanes, and it gets into people's wounds, into their cuts and scrapes, and causes any number of symptoms.
Director of Infection Prevention Chad Nielsen is speaking of flesh-eating bacteria that can be found in floodwaters, and he wants people to understand the seriousness of the disease. Since Hurricanes Helene and Milton, 37 people in the state have been diagnosed with flesh-eating bacteria.
What's happening is the floodwaters from Helene, even Debbie, right, it saturated the environment, and certainly Milton has caused a lot of intrusion into people's normal neighborhoods, communities, and otherwise.
Related to the storms, 2 people in Duval County died from the disease earlier this year. While flesh-eating bacteria can be deadly, Dr. Nielsen says it can be treatable if caught in time.
It might still cause an amputation of a limb, because typically people will get those wounds that turn necrotizing on their arms or legs. It might end up an amputation to stop the bacteria from spreading, but it is survivable in most people.
Right now, Pinellas County is reporting the most cases with 13 people. Reporting, this is Drew Cosgray, First Coast News, on your side.